Hi, Luna. What are you doing under there? Come on, get out. How long have you been stuck under there? Okay, listen. Go slow, go slow. All right, you want me to help you? Come here, look. Luna, look. You are one lunatic dog. Yes, you're very silly. Uh-huh. Want me to help you? Okay. Hold on, I'm going to help you. Ready? Set, go. Hurry up. Yay, lunatic. Luna. Okay, sit. 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 No, that's a piece of paper. You ate my receipt. Oh my God, you're nuts. Sit. Okay. Oh. You happy you're out? Yay, say thank you. Alrighty.